In this video, we will go over the answers and explanations to the quiz questions. The first question asks if we don't know how many elements a container will need to hold, we should use. Our choices are array and vector. The correct answer is vector. Recall that vectors essentially function as resizable arrays. Arrays in C++, on the other hand, have a fixed size. The second question asks us what the empty function does when it is used on a collection. The correct answer is that it returns 1 if the collection is empty, and 0 otherwise. The third question asks us which data structure follows the principle of LIFO. Last in, first out. The answer here is stacks. Recall that queues, on the other hand, follow the principle of FIFO, first in, first out.